Constellation diagram of constellation diagram is represents the binary represents of a signal modulated by digital modulation schemes such as a quadrature amplitude modulation. It displays the signal as two-dimensional waves xy plane scattering the diagram. In the complex plane it is symbol sampling instance. The analog points measured counterclockwise from the horizontal axis represent phase shift of the carrier wave from the reference phases. Distance of a points from the origin represents measuring of amplitude or power of the signal. The distance of a point from the origin represents measure of the amplitude or power of the signal. An 8-bit PSK in the diagram as shown information is transmitted as one of the 8 symbols. Total 8 symbols, each represents 3 bits of data. Each symbol is encoded at different phases of the carrier of the sine wave. One is 0 degrees phase shift, 45 degrees of the data will be shifted, and 90 degrees the data will be shifted, amplitude will be shifted, and phase will be shifted. 135 degrees the amplitude either positive voltage or negative voltage depending upon the signal, and 180 degrees, and similarly 225 degrees, 270 degrees, and 315 degrees. The constellation diagram as shown in figure. Here to apply the in phase component, x-axis we have to take the in phase component, y-axis it will be take the quadrature amplitude. This some magnitude will be there, 111 bits, and some 0 degrees phase shift. 110 is the 45 degrees phase shift, 011 is 90 degrees phase shift, 011 is shifted by the 90 plus 135 and 90 plus 45 135, and 001 be shifted by 180 degrees, and 000 is shifted by this 225, and 270 110 270, and 110 is shifted here minus 45, and we have to, in this way we have to shifted the 8 bit of PSK. Constellation diagrams are two-dimensional graphical representation of a digital modulation signals. They are used for the display and analysis of digitally modulated waveforms and provided valuable insight into the presence of the digital communication system. Digital modulation signal encoded information within the sinusoidal carrier wave by mixing it with a discretized message signal. Therefore, modification of the amplitude and phase angle of the carrier waveform. The resulting modulated signal as a finite combination of amplitude and phase values, which corresponds to a finite number of symbols which can be used to convey information. These symbols are often represented in popular format on the complex plane in what is known as constellation diagram, with each possible symbol mapped as constellation point. The local of the each point on the diagram is determined by the amplitude and phase angle associated with the corresponding symbols. The exact Here the exact number of symbols constellation points in modulation scheme digitized alphabets in depending upon the type of modulation schemes. The amount of information that can be transmitted with a single symbol increases with the size of the modulation scheme is alphabet. For example, a binary phase shift keying has just two possible symbols and can be therefore transmitted just one bit symbol for 0 or 1. On the other hand, quadrature phase shift keying is four possible symbols and can therefore transmit a 2 bit per symbol 00, 10, and 11. Other modulation schemes are such as quadrature amplitude modulation. QAM can have in practice many of the 256 possible symbols. Here we have seen as the resultant of each modulated scheme as shown in the unique constellation diagram. This is the BPSK. BPSK is a 2 bit and QPSK. Next, first one BPSK 2 bits, next QPSK 4 bit, next 8 bit PSK. This is a 16-bit QAM, QAM, and this one is equal to 32-bit QAM and 64 QAM.